Welcome back to Tia the Hair Therapist. So this is my little weekly walk to Stone Mountain, and I just go to reflect and release and lose weight, and you know, he's with me. Hike if he does not pee in the woods. Okay, but listen, we're about to go out somewhere. I don't know where, but I'm going to turn my camera back on when I get there because it's bright. Okay? It is bright.
Why do I feel like he ain't no
Good morning, everybody. I know I've been slacking. Okay, so I've been slacking. The truth is, I moved. I got a new car. I got some chicken. Let me show you my chicken. I got some chicken in my new home. I live on a farm now, everybody. That's my chickies. I got 8 of them. I moved into a new home. I got my Jeep back, you know. So everything has been going swell. It's just I have not been recording while my baby here just said never mind. Okay, well, I say never mind too. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing something I have wanted to do for some time now, but I told myself, dang, seatbelt hurt me. Okay, so then I told myself, work out, try it for 2 years. Long story short, everybody, I'm going for my consultation today of my arm lipo. I am where I want to be, but these arms of mine, they don't really match. I've always known that, you know. Hello, I can fly. And I just want to do something about it. So you guys are going to go with me today to my consultation to see what they say. And let's go. We have arrived. It is called, for everybody who will be asking, if I get it done here. Don't know. This is just a consultation. It's called Georgia Surgicare Cosmetic Surgery. So, there it is. There it is. So we're going to go in and see what they're talking about. Yay. But, okay, so I'll record whenever I get in there. Hopefully they let me record. If not, I'll sneak it on my phone or sneak it on the camera, whichever one. Alright, love you guys. Sorry, I'm back for real. You guys, I'm walking in. I'm really nervous. Nah, I'm just kidding. Hey girl! How do they feel about recording here for YouTube? Yeah, okay. Yes, I am for 10:30.
So actually, she will be upstairs.
So I just take the elevator right here? Okay, second floor. Thank you so much. So I'm second floor with Dr. Angelina. Shout out to Dr. Angelina. I want to see how they feel about recording when I get up there. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much. Bye. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. I'm Tia for 10:30. Okay. Good morning for Dr. Angelina. How do you guys feel about YouTube recording? All right, I'm gonna wait till I. Hi there, I see you. Oh, these are cute. Oh my gosh, these are cute. So, we made it. Get it to our. Hey girl, hey, okay.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, so Doc, it's my arms. As you see, like.
I don't see.
Stop.
I know, because she knows she's nitpicking.
No.
They make me look large and then, okay, you're at the procedure. So what I use, wait, let's do what you're talking about. Okay, so we can talk about working out, building up your muscles. So just a little bit of debulking. So liposuction, okay, but with liposuction, we're gonna get really the skin shrinkage. So what's a high definition vaser liposuction? Vaser is like more advanced liposuction technique that melts the fat.
That's it. Yeah.
And it like define muscles and things like that. And then on top of that, at the same time, go with body tight, which is radio frequency. Skin tightening. It's heat. Yes, we heat up both inside and outside. So it's like a two-prong little. Well, it's a big device that goes through the same little liposuction hole. I kind of wave it in and out, inside, and we get it the right temperature, and it's kind of like cooking bacon.
Okay.
So it actually sizzles, like you can hear it. Like when it gets to the right temperature, you can literally hear it. It's supposed to shrink skin by about 30%. So it's not like a surgical brachioplasty when I fully cut off all the extra skin. But that little bit of shrinkage, and then we can add a little bit of a weight loss, and you're working out all together can give you a nice result.
Okay.
You know, that helps. As far as the weight for that, now, you're tall, you carry weight well, like you're a thick girl. I don't want you to be like 120 pounds or anything like that.
Herself out with diabetes. Like she did that by herself.
Good.
So I lost all of that, and I got myself out of diabetes.
You're like the second person today that lost all the weight during Corona. Most people gain weight during Corona.
No, I got really serious with myself because I had to. I got pancreatitis and my gallbladder. That was too young.
Was pancreatitis, gallbladder?
Yes, both of them. And weigh out all my options is what
So
you're telling me.
as far as we start, as far as weight, Again, you don't have a lot to go. We talked about like I think 29 pounds. I mean, BMI 29, so like 25.
So today, well, we are planting. Maybe I should get some water, like a big thing of water. This is the view of the driveway of the new home. I am going to give a full tour if I have not already given a full tour in this video. No, I'm talking about like in the video I'm about to make, like if I didn't already put that before, and then this is, you know what I'm trying to say? But this is long story short, the view. That was like a time lapse. I'm pretty sure I made that time lapse.
What button on the side? You gotta show me that. You the usual cameraman. What button on the side? We did pretty good. He's tired. He wants to take a shower. Go back to the house. I wish you guys could see how bad I'm sweating. Wow. Chopping up.